Have you ever wondered how we try to change other people's emotions? How often we do it, and who does it the most? What if you could hold the secret to influencing someone's emotions? Research scientists at the University of Sydney have uncovered a fascinating discovery that could influence how we interact with others every day. Today, we dive into a captivating study that explores the mysterious world of extrinsic emotion regulation, the intriguing strategies we use to influence others' emotions. Emotion regulation is the unsung hero of our daily lives. It predicts important life outcomes, including mental health, social success, work performance, and academic achievement. But while there's plenty of research on how we regulate our own emotions, much less is known about how we regulate others' emotions. So, what exactly is extrinsic emotion regulation, and how do we do it? Extrinsic emotion regulation involves actions aimed at influencing another person's emotional state. It can mean trying to cheer someone up or calm them down. In this study, researchers focused on positive extrinsic regulation, that is, increasing positive emotions or decreasing negative ones. To uncover the secrets of this fascinating phenomenon, the researchers posed 3 critical questions. The first was how often people engage in extrinsic emotion regulation. The second was which strategies people used. And the third question was, who uses these strategies? As in, are these empathetic, conscientious, or agreeable people? And how did the researchers attempt to answer these questions? They conducted a study that included 165 university students as participants. The participants first attended a lab session to learn about the study procedure and complete baseline measures. They then participated in the experience sampling method portion of the study. This included sending participants 6 mini-surveys to their smartphones each day over 5 days between the hours of 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. On the surveys, the participants reported the strategies they used to regulate others' emotions. Each survey asked if they had interacted with anyone, and, if so, whether they tried to change the other person's emotions. If they did, they rated how much they used each of the following 5 strategies for regulating others' emotions. Receptive listening, which is simply listening to someone's troubles. Cognitive reframing, helping others see situations in a new light. Humor, using jokes to lighten the mood. Distraction, diverting attention from the problem. And valuing, making others feel appreciated and cared for. And what did the researchers discover? The results were illuminating. Nearly every participant engaged in regulating someone else's emotions over the 5 days. Friends and romantic partners were the primary beneficiaries, followed by parents, then siblings. Strategies for regulating others' emotions were often used in combination, not isolation, such as using both humor and distraction to improve someone's emotions. About 2/3 of the variance in strategy use occurred within participants, meaning people varied the regulation strategies they chose to use, and in regards to which strategies were used the most. Interestingly, valuing, or making others feel appreciated and cared for, was used more than all the other strategies. Receptive listening was used the second most, followed by cognitive reframing, which was used more often than humor and distraction. So who are the emotional maestros among us? The study revealed that empathy, conscientiousness, and agreeableness are key traits influencing the choice of strategies. Empathetic individuals were more likely to engage in all strategies except humor and reframing, and stood out as a crucial factor in extrinsic emotion regulation. Conscientious people used all strategies except distraction and humor, and agreeable people tended to use all strategies except humor. The use of specific strategies by different types of people in different situations highlights the complex interplay of personality traits in emotion regulation. So, what does this mean for us? Imagine the possibilities if we all became better at regulating others' emotions. Understanding these strategies and their links to personality can help us navigate our social worlds more effectively and improve social interactions and relationships. Imagine being able to make your friends and loved ones feel better more effectively. We could create more supportive, empathetic, and harmonious relationships. Whether it's comforting a friend or easing a tense situation, knowing the right strategy to use can make all the difference. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey into the science of emotions. This video, along with all videos on this channel, are a summary of real research studies conducted by academics and experts with the goal of simplifying the complex writings of scientific publications and bridging the gap between their writings and everyone else. These videos are only simplified summaries, so to get the full details of the study, a link to the research article will always be posted below. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in more simplified, fascinating insights insights in science, feel free to subscribe, like and comment for more videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep spreading positivity.